Students, today we know about part of cell. The cell composed of or differentiated into various parts. Number one, plasma membrane. Second is nucleus. Third, cell wall. Fourth, cytoplasm. Number one, plasma membrane. Second one, nucleus. Third, cell wall, and fourth, the cytoplasm. So first of all, we know about plasma membrane. What is plasma membrane? The plasma membrane is the semi-permeable membrane. It's find the surrounding cytoplasm. It is known as selective permeable membrane because it permits only some specific molecule through them. It is made up of carbohydrate, proteins and fats. It helps in the exchanging of material from one cell to another cell with the help of intercellular osmosis and diffusion. Osmosis, the movement of water molecule from higher concentration to lower concentration is called osmosis. It occurs generally in the liquid medium. Generally, osmosis is two types. Number one, endoosmosis, and second is exoosmosis. Endoosmosis, exoosmosis. Endoosmosis, in this type of osmosis, the water enters into the cell from the external medium. For example, swelling of resin when kept in the hypotonic solution or in water, swelling of grams when kept in water, various examples of endoosmosis. Exoosmosis, in this type of osmosis, the water exists from the cell, is called exoosmosis. That is, example, when the grapes kept in the hypertonic solution, it becomes shrinks. Diffusion, the movement of substance molecule from higher concentration to lower concentration is called diffusion. Various examples of diffusion in our daily life, that is spreading of scents when it's open in the rooms, diffusion of sugar crystal in the water. The diffusion takes place in the all state of matters. The second is nucleus. It is generally circular structures present the central region of the cell. It composed of nuclear membrane, inner side of the nuclear membrane, it composed of nucleoplasm. nucleoplasm. nuclear membrane. In the center region, it is composed of chromatins, spherical structures are present in the cytoplasm known as nucleolus. The nucleolus helps in the formation of ribosomes. Function of nucleus: it controls the all activity of the cell. It also transmits genetic information from one generation to another generation. Next, cell wall. Cell wall is generally found in plant cell and bacteria. It found in the outer region of the plasma membrane. It is a delicate. In some plants, it is a hard. It is made up of cellulose, pectin, etc. It provides mechanical support to the cell. Next, cytoplasm. The cytoplasm is a fluid. It composed of various organic and inorganic material. Various cell organelles are embedded in them. The cell organelles are as number 1, endoplasmic reticulum. Second, Golgi body. Third, mitochondria. Ribosomes. Chloroplast. Lysosomes. etc. So first of all, we study about endoplasmic reticulum. The endoplasmic reticulum, shortly known as ER, it is the network of cisternae, tubules and vessels. It found in different shape and size. The vessels, cisternae, tubules, it found in different shape and size. The function of endoplasmic reticulum. The endoplasmic reticulum take parts in the synthesis of protein, lipids. It also helps in the detoxification of the toxic substances in the body. It's two types, RER and SER. RER and SER. Rough endoplasmic reticulum, smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Rough endoplasmic reticulum, which is composed of ribosomes on their surface, called rough, and which does not composed of ribosome, the plain, is called smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Next, Golgi body. Golgi body. It is the network of vessels and cisternae. It's present in the cytoplasm. It takes part in the synthesis of hormone, enzymes. It also forms the foremost part of the sperm, which help in the fertilization. It provides a specific direction to the molecules, so it is known as the traffic police of cell. Mitochondria. It is a rod or particle like structures. It composed of double membrane, outer membrane and inner membrane. The outer membrane is the smooth, whereas the inner membrane folded in various regions and form of finger-like structures known as cristae. The cristae composed of oxystones which help in the oxidation of food. It composed of own DNA and ribosomes. Function of mitochondria. The mitochondria help in the oxidation of food and produce energy. So it is known as powerhouse of cells. The energy which are formed in the mitochondria in chemical energy known as ATP. Adenosine triphosphate. In the energy is stored in the bonds. Ribosomes. The ribosome is the membraneless cell organelles. Two types of ribosomes are present in the cell: 70S ribosome and 80S ribosome. So 70S ribosome is found in the prokaryotic cell, whereas 80S ribosome is found in the eukaryotic cell. The 70S ribosome differentiate in the two units, 30S and 50S. Whereas 80S ribosome differentiated into two subunits, 40S and 60S. The ribosome take parts in the protein synthesis, so it is known as the cellular factory of protein. Lysosomes. The lysosomes is the bowl-shaped structures is composed of enzymes which help in the digestion of foods. Any metabolic disturbance, it bursts and release enzyme and digest own cell, own body cells. So it is known as the suicide bag of the cell. Chloroplast. Chloroplast, the green plastic, it composed of chlorophyll. It is double membrane bound structures. It composed two units, grana and stroma. Grana and stroma contain only DNA. The outer membrane, inner membrane, DNA, ribosomes, function of chloroplast, it take part in the protein synthesis. Vacuoles, it the sac-like structures, it present in the cytoplasm. In plant cell, it is the larger, whereas in animal cells, it is the smaller in size. The main functions of vacuoles is it maintain the osmolarity of the cell. It also store foods